Dear Cheri, do CBD topicals make you sleepy? My sister says that every time she uses her CBD salve that she gets sleepy. This doesn't make much sense to me knowing how topicals work. Does it make any sense to you? Well, the short answer is no, not really. Before I get to the longer answer, though, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And also hit that like button, too, if you get value out of my videos because that helps us be seen in YouTube's algorithm. Oh, and if you like my I Heart Weed shirt, that's available on my website, cannabischeri.com. I'll have a link in the comments below for this shirt and lots of other fun cannabis designs. Okay, back to the question. Do CBD topicals make you sleepy? Well, no, they shouldn't, and neither should THC topicals for that matter. That's because, as I've talked about in other videos, topicals do not cross the blood barrier. They provide localized relief, not systemic relief that goes through your whole system. So in theory, no, they should not make you sleepy. They're also not going to make you feel high or feel a drug test, with the exception of transdermal patches, but that's something different than what we're talking about today if she's just using a regular CBD salve. No, in theory, that shouldn't make you sleepy, so maybe your sister's not getting enough sleep in general, or perhaps even something else is going on if she's always feeling sleepy that she might want to talk to her doctor about. But no, it should not be the CBD topical that's making her sleepy. Hope this helps. See you all next time.